In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many hours you have played a game in Roblox. So I'm going to show you two methods. The first one is going to be easier. Let's start with the first one. Click on the top right where you see settings. And then over here, click on privacy and content restrictions, screen time, scroll down, and then top experiences. And then over here, you'll see the top 20 experiences from the last week. And this means that this is temporary. So this is how much minutes or hours I have played these games from last week. But to see your hours of all time, you have to use the other method, which is RoPro. So I have to download the RoPro extension. Click on the first one, it looks like this, and then click on Get, Add Extension. Wait for it. Once it's done, it's going to show you is now installed. So you can exit here, and then over here just refresh, and it should be activated just like that. So to be able to use RoPro and its features, you have to verify. So click on verify, and then verify again, and then you'll be required to join the user verification game. Just click on this play button, and then it will take you to the game. Click on play, and let's wait. So once you're in the game, you have to click on generate verification code here, and it will show you a code. But I'm not allowed to share this, so I'm gonna skip. And then once you are here, you have to just click here and then paste in that code. So I'm gonna paste it right now, or just like that, and that's it. So it's going to reload automatically, and that's it. So unfortunately, if you just got RoPro, then you won't be able to see the games that you have played before RoPro was installed. So now that you have it, any games that you play and anything is going to be recorded right here. And you can also click on any game, for example, this game, and it will tell you directly on it how much minutes or hours you have played on that game. And you can switch this to all time. And that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.